look at bringing back ground handling. I started as a young girl then. I started as a check-in agent at the airport. We used to check in all the airlines. There was a lot of revenue coming in, yeah, from the ground handling. The porters were on board cleaning the aircraft, that was money. There was catering going in on the different airlines, that was an income. So I think we should consider bringing back ground handling to be owned by Uganda Airlines.
When you look at points in Sudan, they also have a huge UN base. These people do R&R. They come, stop in Entebbe, fly out to wherever else they can do their R&R and leave Kampala here, leave Entebbe here, Uganda. So that's a market that we will open up.